Seems like everything he fishes with, he's always modifying. I'm like, buddy, I don't...
Uh-oh.
There we go. I'm like, buddy, I don't think it matters that much, but...
Where are all the pliers?
Gosh, he about jumped in the damn boat. I'm gonna flip him your way, Johnny. Flip him your way. There you go. Oh, Jax is on. Seemed like a good one too.
I ain't seen it. I think you got socks.
Damn, that is a big one. Going to the shade, then.
Nice net job, Wes.
Pardon me.
Nobody's just like you.
Here's the record right
It
here,
was
boys.
just like you, man.
Here's the money fish.
I ain't got it.
Son
You
of
mean
a
I didn't
bitch.
net it? There's Johnny again. Oh my God, you guys suck. Jax, don't let him cheat you, man.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
That's a 4 pounder.
Hopefully it is.
Anybody got any damn pets out?
This thing.
Those rocks, probably.
On the bottom.
No,
No, he's got a good one.
been jumping and everything.
Oh, because it's a dink. Look at that thing.
Look like an NFL football. Yeah. I was about to run out of pole.
Oh, he's solid, dude.
Yeah.
Huh?
He's solid.
Got a high flyer. High flyer. See, that's what even the bachelor thing is like. All these damn locals, they gone. We can eat today. Doing circles around the boat. Oh, get the net.
Got the record?
No.
Doubt it. It's a nice one.
There you go. Yeah, he's nice. Oh, Johnny hooked up. Looked like a good one, too. Oh, yeah, he is a good one. Got that damn black belly.
Yeah, that might be the new leader right there, Jack Sweat. That's the new leader.
That other one I had bigger than that.
What other one?
Yeah.
Holy.
What's he doing over there?
I don't know.
Johnny catching them under the boat.
Why are you so mad, man?
Yeah, we need to.
Well, it was a good hook set. Scared me. I think I peed in my pants a little. Dogfish.
No.
It's a drum. He's a,
Dang boat, wasn't it?
seems light colored.
This little ass over here. Oh.
He got his
Broke that line. He's hooked up again. Oh, in the middle.
Is it? No.
Yeah, he's bigger.
Yeah, that net.
The good size this morning. They said,
What's on his? There's some white stuff coming out of it.
Oh, there you go. Boom. Fish on.